I'm here at Clinton now. We're getting a little closer to Joe Moore's house. His property they stole from him. But I got an update on Timothy Ray Charles, Sherry Edwin's brother. He's now in the Perkins Institute in Jessup, Maryland. So I'm sending off tomorrow a certified registered letter to the director of the Institute as a power of attorney for his estate, his father's estate, to see if I can have a interview with Timothy and get his medical evaluation on him. Because they stole his. Andrews Rogers' son, I believe, was involved in the wrongful death of his sister, which I got the death certificate for the other day after 2 years from Sherry Evelyn. And I'm absolutely sure that her Rogers' son, is involved in his death, her death, because the death certificates could not even determine the cause of death. The coroner's office refused to allow me to get a death certificate 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, correct? Then they had to bury her and put her in a pauper's grave, even though she had a estate, her father's. All those assets. Let's let me slow down here for a minute. Here's Joseph Moore's house. There's 17 acres here. There was a house right here. But I filed papers in the Prince George's County Circuit Court challenging it. Everybody knew that what was going on was a fraud. The judges, the attorneys, everybody. But TPE International is just an agent for working. He's got Roland is actually, I believe, being paid by them. And it's insane. It's insane. $2 million. They've never even been in court. Roland Lee put an appearance in for him. He was at the court hearing, never said a word. Caused a $100,000 judgment, default judgment. Made him stay in Joe Moore stay in his brother stay in his office. Not, while the hearing was going on. No due process whatsoever. So, yeah, this is what it's all about. I'm not going to let it go. I'm not going to let it go. Now here's where Joe's staying at right now. Let's see, is the truck still there? Yeah. You just can't make up this stuff. You cannot make this stuff up. And, I have so many victims of them that are in the same exact situation. So I contacted the U.S. Marshal yesterday, and tomorrow I've got to file a certified registered letter to the director of the Perkins Institute, Mental Health Institute, to get a visit with Timmy and get a statement from him and see what the evaluation is and see how he's doing. So, George McDermott, I'll pick this up later.